So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the equations of straight lines in the form y equals mx plus c. So a line has a gradient of 8 and passes through the point 2, 3. Find the equation of that straight line. Now when we have y equals mx plus c, x and y are the coordinates, m is the gradient, and c is the y-intercept. So I have been given the gradient, which is 8, so m equals 8, and I've got a set of coordinates 2, 3. 2 is the x-coordinate, 3 is the y-coordinate. So let's substitute all that we have into y equals mx plus c. So y, which is 3, equals m, which is 8, multiplied by x, which is 2, plus c. So here is an equation which I am now going to solve. So 3 equals 16 plus c. I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. 3 take away 16 is minus 13. So I have c equals minus 13. So the last thing I need to do is write out clearly what the equation of my line is. So y equals m, which is 8, mx plus c. So my c is negative 13. Okay, so that is the equation of my straight line. The next question, the point A, which is 1, 1, and the point B, which is 5, minus 1, lie on the line L. Find the equation of the straight line. So again, I'm going to write out y equals mx plus c. The only difference here is I haven't been given the gradient, so I do need to find the gradient between those 2 points. So I'm going to use this formula, which is the change in y divided by the change in x. Okay, and I'm going to use that to work out my gradient. So I'm going to call this the first x-coordinate, x1, and this is the second x-coordinate, x2. This is the first coordinate, y-coordinate, y1, and this is the second y-coordinate, y2. And I'm going to plug it into this formula. I'm going to put the subtractions in first, and then I can just put in my values. So y2 is minus 1, y1 is 1. All of that is being divided by x2, which is 5, take away x1, which is 1. I work that out. Minus 1 is minus 2, and 5 take away 1 is 4. Okay, and that will simplify to minus 1 over 2, which is minus a half. I'm going to write that as minus 0.5, but you could leave it as minus a half. They are equal to each other. Okay, so now I can go back and find the equation of the straight line. Now I have the gradient, and I have 2 points. So I can pick any of these points because they lie on the same line. I'm going to use point A, which is 1, 1. Okay, and the gradient, which is minus 0.5. So that's my x-coordinate, that's my y-coordinate. And then I do the same as I did prior. Y equals mx plus c, so 1 equals minus 0.5 multiplied by x, which is 1, plus c. So 1 equals minus 0.5 multiplied by 1 is minus 0.5 plus c. Now I'm going to add 0.5 to both sides of my equation. 1 plus 0.5 gives me 1.5. And they cancel, giving me c equals 1.5. And now I can write out the equation of my straight line. So y equals m, which was minus 0.5, minus 0.5. Y equals mx plus c, c is 1.5. Now I'm done.